Cranston is Providence County, right? I was right.
Flood warning in effect from Friday morning to late Saturday morning. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Wachusett River and Cranston. When? From Friday morning to late Saturday morning. Impacts include at 9.5 feet. Parking lots and roads are flooded in low-lying areas of Warwick and Cranston near the Wachusett River. Impacted roads include River Street, Pioneer Avenue, Bellows Street, and Venturi Avenue in Warwick. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, the stage was 5.5 feet.
Speakers just...
Thankful stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 9.6 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Forecast for central.
I was random.